lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart.
Welcome to this video about spring photography, landscape photography, nature photography and cottage photography. So I'm here in Viby village, very close to Sigtuna, which is Sweden's oldest town. And today I'm going to try to capture photos here, photos of the nature, of the landscape and of the beautiful old cottages here in this small village, Viby. It's originally a medieval village, and it is said that there once were a monastery here. I've not seen any remains of the monastery, but I love the cottages here. So it will be a great time taking pictures here. So yeah, welcome to follow me.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
And I will now take some photos of the cottages. So let's go down here now and take some pictures of the cottages and the barns.
Yesterday, your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those leaves.
I don't know for sure, but I think I will be able to take some good pictures here. Let's give it a try.
And honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those leaves and honey on those fingertips. Oh, we could be birds discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about.
And now let's take some photos of the cottages and barns down here. I really love the view here. This will be a great photo.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger.
Yeah, now I have taken a lot of, in my opinion, great photos here, and I'm going to capture some more photos of the barns and the fields and the flowers here, and then I will get home and check the results. I think my card is beginning to get full now, but let's take some more photos.
When we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other.